Today I'm going to demonstrate how to mix a Hawaiian Orange Blossom. Now this is a really simple cocktail that we're going to build directly in our rocks glass, so you're just going to want to start by pouring your ice right into your glassware. Now we're going to go equal parts gin. We're using Well Gin for demonstration purposes, but I recommend Tanqueray. It's a really great brand, or if you like Sapphire or maybe Beefeater, go for that, or whatever your preference is. Other than that, we're going to be adding in triple sec, so it's going to have an orange flavor. If you don't have triple sec, I recommend Grand Marnier. It's behind most bars. A little more expensive, but it's definitely worth it. We're going to go equal parts on this, so an ounce to an ounce, or a 4 count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now for our mixers, we're going to mix orange juice, and we're going to mix pineapple juice. Equal parts, right up to the top of the glass, just like so. Now anytime you mix a drink directly into a rocks glass like this, always make sure you take a straw and mix it for your guest. So that way when they take a sip, all the contents are mixed together really well. As far as a garnish for something like this, I'd recommend a flag, which is going to consist of an orange slice with a cherry speared through the top. That's your Hawaiian Orange Blossom. Enjoy.